I've got several questions here lately from homeowners about what type of evergreen shrub they could use at home as a foundation shrub. And I keep finding myself going back to the same plant. People were having trouble with Indian hawthorns, they were wanting to replace them, or little leaf boxwoods that they were wanting to replace. And I always go back to Distylium. This plant that came out in the late 1990s has really started to hit the market, and it's just such an interesting plant for a foundation shrub. It's got this swirling growth, kind of irregular, and it makes it very interesting. What's great is that there's several varieties, and you can find some like cinnamon girl or coppertone that have the new growth. It looks like a red color leaf, and the rest of the shrub will be green, typical evergreen. This one here is called First Edition Vintage Jade. It can be more of a blue-green colored new growth, but just a very interesting evergreen shrub for foundation planting. So these grow about 4 to 6 feet tall. If you want it to grow as a hedge, you can grow some of them closer together, a closer planting, and they do great with trimming. They can tolerate pruning, so prune it as you like. It'll take full sun, or you can plant it in the shade. Just a great evergreen shrub for the landscape. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.